Are you looking to use the 55 times 5 technique to attract a relationship in your life? Well, this video is for you because by the end of this video, you're going to know how to create awesome intentions that are going to be guaranteed to work. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're talking about the 55 times 5 technique and how to create intentions to attract love, a relationship, get your ex back, or even find that special someone. So there's a few things that we want to cover when it comes to writing intentions. So we want to make sure our intentions are stated in the positive. So we want them to state what we want, and we want them to be detailed and clear. So yeah, that's the first main thing. The second main thing that's going to give you the most powerful intention to write 55 times is, and this is a secret of mine, is making sure that your intention counters your biggest doubt, okay? So let's say your biggest doubt is that you're not good enough. Then what you're gonna want your intention to be is, I am good enough to have a relationship, right? So let's say your biggest doubt is guys can't be trusted. So then what you're going to want your intention to be, or girls can't be trusted, what you want your intention to be is guys or girls can be trusted. Now let's say your biggest doubt is no guys or girls want to have a relationship. Then what you want your intention to be is guys and girls, I intend for, my guy or this guy or whoever or that girl to want a relationship with me. So you want to have your intention that you're going to write out 55 times to be the opposite of your doubt, your biggest doubt. The reason for that is you can write out, oh, I want to be in a relationship. I want to be in a relationship 55 times. But if you've got all these other stories running in the background, like I'm not good enough, or, guys or girls can't be trusted, or they don't want a relationship, then what's going to happen is that's going to counter it all anyway. So you really want to dig deep into what that underlying biggest doubt is you want to write that out 55 times when you change it to an intention, is you want to really capture that particular one. And it's going to be different for everybody. Everybody's going to have that biggest doubt, and those doubts come from our past experience and stuff like that. So you want to dig deep into those doubts. And of course, if you ever have any questions about what your doubt is, or what you should be writing as your intention, or what the best intention for you is going to be, I'm always open for comments and questions. You can find my email in the description below, or if you feel brave enough, you can comment right below this video, or find me on any other forum. I frequent on Reddit under Create Your Future as well. So yeah, so that's the biggest takeaway, is to create that intention from your biggest doubt, and then always state it in the positive. And yeah, have fun with it. Now remember, it doesn't matter if you write it out 55 times or not. That's not a huge deal. 54 times, 53 times, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you miss a day, because again, the 55 times 5 technique is just a focusing tool to get you focusing on what you want. Really, science says that you only need to hold a conscious thought for 17 seconds to really create it. So that's really what we're aiming for here, is the focus on that, and make sure that it's your biggest doubt. And you may need to do the 55 times 5 technique for more than one intention. You might have to. If you've got a lot of doubts running in the background and a lot of big doubts, then you're going to want to write out and do the technique for those different doubts if they're big enough. So yeah, have fun with it. Believe it's going to work, because it doesn't matter what technique that you use, the magic is always inside of you. Anyways, I put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, all of them to guaranteed for you to create something wonderful in your life. I know, different background behind me. I've moved into my new place. I've moved out now, and I'm in a really wonderful place. Nothing's really quite set up yet, but I'm working on it. And yeah, so thanks for commenting, liking, and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Create something wonderful for yourself.